This is my drawing of the Mr. Beast logo, and today I'm going to teach you each and every step so that you can draw this yourself. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson on the right side of our page with the eye. We're going to start right at the very top. Let's curve this down and then across towards the left. Now I'm just going to draw the bottom of the eyelid. We're going to step in, curve this across and then down. And then we'll close off the end with a curve, the edge of the eye. Let's go to the top and draw the pupil coming down. Just go a little bit thicker along the top. Now I'm going to work our way across the top of the eyelid, bend this up and then out, step back, add a little fold, add another fold going across towards the right, and then along the bottom of the eye we're going to add one more. Now from the eye we're going to stretch that lightning bolt out towards the left. So let's start up here, draw a straight line, going all the way across towards the end. Let's angle this back, coming down and then in. Now stretch this all the way out towards the edge of the bolt, towards the left side of our page. Let's go to the bottom of the eye. We're going to angle this up and across to right about there. Let's add a point, coming down and in. Now we connect the left side to this point here with a straight angled line. Now with the eye and bolt in place, let's draw the brow. We're going to start up here. I want to bend this up and across. Let's flatten off the top of the brow, going up and then out. Then angle this across and then bend that down. Now let's go back to the front of the brow and draw the top of the muzzle. We're going to bend this across and then down towards the nose. Let's add another curve, going out and then down. Let's round up the nose and pull that in towards the bottom. Go across and then bend that up. Let's go back to the tip of the nose, bend this down and up, and then angle this down, and we'll fill the nose in black. Now we're going to add those folds across the top of the muzzle. We're going to start from the side of the nose, bend this up, across, and then down. Now between the eye and here, add two folds. Let's go back up to the top. From this point, bend this across and then down. Now I'm going to add some more wrinkles going across the top of the muzzle. Just going to add a few going across and then down. Let's go back to the tip of the nose. We're going to come down and then in. Round up the mouth, pull that up and in, and just curl that back up towards the corner of the mouth. Let's open up the mouth. From here we're going to step up, draw a straight angled line, coming down, curve this down, and then in. Now we're going to add a fold. We're going to step back, curve this across, and then out towards that lower lip, round up the lip, and then bend that back in. Draw a straight line coming down towards the chin. Now up in this area, we're going to add a fold around the mouth. Let's go back to the chin. Curve this across and then in. And I want to add some fur across the jaw. Pull this up. Another point. Pull this up again. Now let's curve this going up and then across towards the left. Let's step down. Go across the neck, coming down, bend this up, and then out. Now let's go back and add those top fangs. We're going to start with the one in the front, coming down and in, taper that back up towards the top. Now let's layer one in behind. So we're going to step over, curve this down and in towards the point, and then tuck that up underneath. Let's add the bottom fangs. We're going to start with the one in the front, going up, taper that down, step over, draw one in behind. Now we want to add some teeth across the bottom. So we're going to add these little points going across, come in, and then down. Now along the back side of the mouth, we're going to add the tongue. Coming across, bend this down, and then out. Let's go back up to the top and add the whiskers. We're going to start up here with the short one coming across. Step down. Now I'm just going to pull these across towards the left. Just add one small one across the bottom. Let's go back up to the top and draw in the ear. We're going to line up with this line, leave a gap over towards the left. Draw a straight line going out towards the tip of the ear. Round at the ear, come in, Now I want to add a notch, going up and then down. Continue down towards the bolt. And we'll add a couple more points. Let's close off this gap with the top of the head. From here, step over, bend this up and then in, bend this across and then down. Now inside the ear, we're going to add that fold. Going across and then down. Halfway along this line, bend this out and then up. Now let's finish this off with the bottom of the head. We're going to line up with the bottom of the ear, bend this across and then down. Let's add a point. Going up, go all the way down, and that in. Let's add another point. Going up, pull this down and across towards the bottom point. Now I'm going to go back up underneath the chin. We're just going to close this off with a curve and a point. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Mr. Beast logo. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.